Hello and welcome to the installation guide for your RR Janko Keys. We're glad you chose our high-quality system to 100% made in Germany. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step.
Before you begin, please ensure your keyboard is clean and free of dust or debris. This ensures that the adhesive sticks properly. First, open your RR Janko Keys package. Inside, you'll find everything needed for installation: a set of RR Janko Keys, a double-sided adhesive tape, a mounting aid, and a printed installation guide. Each set of RR Janko Keys includes 4 different key shapes. These shapes are clearly assigned to specific keys, regardless of their color. You'll find an overview in the enclosed manual. Shape 1 fits the keys C, D, and E. Shape 2 is used for the keys C sharp and D sharp. Shape 3 fits the keys F, G, A, and B, called H in German notation. Shape 4 is for the keys F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. Next, apply the provided adhesive tape to the entire bottom surface of each RR Janko key. For Shape 4, the tape should be applied approximately 80 mm from the rear edge. Apply the adhesive tape to the underside. Start at the front edge, or, for from 4, at the 80 mm mark, and press it down centrally toward the back. Tip: if you plan to stick the button on only temporarily, only use strips of about 20 to 25 mm length at the front and back so that you can easily remove the RR Janko key later. Cut it flush with the rear edge, and remove the protective film. Start by attaching the black keys. These are shapes 2 and 4. Make sure the RR Janko keys are aligned flush with the back and centered on each key. You can use the included mounting aid to find the correct position. Just make sure the mounting aid rests firmly against the key and doesn't shift backwards. Once the key is positioned, press it down slightly to activate the adhesive's full strength. After installing the black keys, you can now attach the white keys. Use shapes 1 and 3 for the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, called H in German notation. Make sure to align the RR Janko keys flush at the back, just like the others. We recommend using the mounting aid again to center the white keys precisely. This allows you to precisely determine the position on the white key. Attach the RR Janko keys again from back to front. Congratulations, the assembly is now complete. We wish you lots of fun and joy with your new RR Janko keys. Feel free to send us your thoughts or leave a comment. We look forward to your feedback.